The weekend's finally here, and the rain, though, going away. If you enjoyed yesterday's cooler, rainier day, and not much more of that, we have maybe a couple small, brief showers that could pop up today. I think we're talking about, maybe a couple places get a 5 or 10 minute shower, but very little rain. And then dry and hot weather this weekend. It's probably going to be back up, in the upper 90s, 100 or so again, kind of like it has been most days lately. And staying hot and dry. It looks like our rain chances are pretty much down to near 0% for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it goes on for a while. There's not really any big hopes for rain for a while. And 91 right now in Weslaco, 89 in Brownsville, and 92 in Rio Grande City. We'll probably, again, peak in the upper 90s or so this afternoon. It might go over 100 in Starr County and a few spots in the Upper Valley, but it already feels like it's over 100 in some areas. It feels like 107 in Port Isabel, 103 in Weslaco, and 103 in Brownsville. That's when you factor in the humidity, which is still running pretty high. The heat index this afternoon, and really the next couple of afternoons, still in that 105 to, at times, briefly up to about 115 in spots. So you always want to slow down, stay cool, stay hydrated on these hot summer days. You don't want any dehydration or heat exhaustion or heat-related illness. So again, if you're outdoors the next few days, kind of just slow down. This is kind of the hottest time of the year statistically, right around early to mid-August. Southeasterly winds are providing a little breeze, only about 10 to 15 miles per hour with slightly breezier conditions right near the coast, but it doesn't look like much of a breeze blowing today. I think we could see the somewhat gustier winds return later next week, but the next few days probably not too much of a breeze. Anyway, not much more than now. You check out temperatures this afternoon will be mostly in the mid to upper 90s at 3 p.m. and 6 p.m., falling back into the 80s during the evening hours, and may only get down to about 79 or 80 or so late tonight for lows. Satellite radar shows dry weather nearly everywhere, but if you look, there are occasionally little dots on there indicating tiny little showers trying to pop up, and I think that's all that may occur today. You might get a couple small showers, but rainfall amounts will be much less than yesterday when some places had a good inch or more of rain. So if you do get a shower today, we're probably talking a few hundredths or maybe a quarter or half an inch at the most. A spotty shower possible this afternoon, but you see FutureTrack has almost nothing on the map. So again, rain chances probably 20% at best. That might even be aiming high. By tomorrow, mainly just sunshine or partly sunny skies. Temperatures hot again with dry weather, and temperatures could go over 100 from about McAllen and maybe even Weslaco off to the west into Starr County. You don't see any big changes for Sunday either. Stays about the same with plenty of sunshine, even lesser chance for rain, even though FutureTrack has a little tiny sea breeze shower. I think that's probably wishful thinking too, with temperatures still near 100 degrees. So rain chances go from 20% at most a day down to pretty close to 0 for Saturday and Sunday. If you are going toward the coast, it will be a little cooler there, but highs still in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees with pretty much dry weather, and no more advisories at the coast. As you heard earlier, the beaches are open, the ones that were closed yesterday, and things are looking pretty good this weekend if you are headed toward the island, with temperatures again upper 80s and lower 90s. First 1570 forecast near 98 today, but closer to 100 for the weekend and beyond. Now, it's not going to be 100 everywhere, but like it has been most of the last couple of weeks, highs each day range from about 89 or 90 at the coast to say about 95 or 96 in Brownsville, about 99 or so in Harlingen, and then about 102 or so in McAllen westward, and even hotter in Starr County. So that's pretty much what you have each day. May start to get a little breezy by either Monday or Tuesday each afternoon later next week, but the hot weather persists. We'll keep tracking it ahead in your First 15 forecast coming up.